This time, friends, I am going to get near the main pagoda here in Danang, still here in Danang, Vietnam. My friends are there, Sir Alan and Kaye. We are leading us there. Oh, this is a very important place of pilgrimage and prayer for our Hindu brothers and sisters. This is a unique structure actually, and you can seldom find this type of style design in other places, and I think it's specifically famous here in Danang. Okay, so below the pagoda is a gate. Wait, there is a bus coming. Oh, that's the bus, a tourist bus full of tourists. You see, there are a lot of tourist transportation. And it starts raining here. It's actually drizzling at this time. So this is the front face, the front area. Ano siya? Look, it's beautiful. Okay, see, this is how it really looks like. I think these are Japanese tourists. And here's the leaning lady Buddha. We start to tilt here so that we can have a full view of the area. And I go closer to the leaning Buddha. There's a leaning Buddha, ladies and gentlemen. Everyone venerates. It's a whole place. There are pilgrims and tourists. There are pilgrims, but there are more tourists.